Do you expect Microsoft Excel could communicate directly to you verbally? Assume typing, give the main points of this Excel sheet. Correct these messy Excel rows. Generate formulas for me. And it takes care of itself. So, I will support you the way to connect ChatGPT to Microsoft Excel without write coding programming language, just by using free open source tools. No special skills required, just basic copy and paste. Let's do this. First step, choose from listed connector. We're setting up ChatGPT to work together with Microsoft Excel using a no-code tool. 1. Zapier, this one is easiest and popular. 2. Make compatible for more control and visualization. 3. Power Automate, best option if you live in Microsoft application. So Zapier is best option for starter. Go to zapier.com. Sign up free account. Type work email. First name. Last name. Then get started for free. Second step. Inside Zapier. Connect your ChatGPT account to the Excel file hosted on OneDrive or Google Drive. Search for Microsoft Excel. Select it. Microsoft Excel integrations is displayed here. Then scroll down and search for Pairing AI App Example ChatGPT. Then click button to connect this app together. Third step. Select what Microsoft Excel data sends to ChatGPT. Example. Whenever a new row is added to Excel, send this to ChatGPT. Analyze this row and recommend improvements. Your Excel columns might be course name, course ID, remark. ChatGPT can clean text, analyze data, provide formulas, categorize rows, find mistakes. This turns Excel into a smart assistant instead of a manual input sheet. This initiates, when something changes in Excel, the automation starts. Pick a trigger like new row, updated row, new worksheet row. Select it new row. Forward this to ChatGPT by pressing continue button. Zapier will then ask you to connect your Excel account via. Let us see the automation of new row from Microsoft Excel data. Select new row, press continue button. Under storage source select OneDrive. Under workbook select your Excel file from OneDrive. Under worksheet select your Excel sheet from your Excel file. Then test trigger. Fourth step. Identify what ChatGPT answer to us. Now command Zapier what to do with ChatGPT's answer. Like typing prompt. Find results into a new Excel column. Fill this prompt builder screen like this. Select build mode custom prompt. Keep model GPT-4o mini. Paste this into the prompt box. Now all new row process automatically by AI called ChatGPT. No clicks. No formula. No pain. Just relax. Microsoft Excel isn't just a data table. Excel is a brainstorming platform. If you want, I can develop click and run Excel template for you. Guide the best flowchart for your job. Or generate prompts that turn ChatGPT into your Excel copilot. Tell me what you use Excel for. Business, education or other, comment below. If this video helps you follow me,